Hello everyone. Okay, I think I have everything. Okay, is it working? Okay. I think I have finished setuping everything. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing okay. Let me reduce the volume. I know it's too loud, honestly, because I'm seeing my graph. How's everyone going? Today, what are we going to do? Nice. So, we are going to... chase me to the moon, of course. But I have a list. Let me grab the list first. Sorry. Okay. I don't know which book contained the most important information. Not book, but my notebook, yeah. It's not this one, I think. Yeah, it's not this one. Yeah, it's the other one. No problem. I don't know if people are watching or not, because I need to understand how to put the graphs working all right, because I really am start getting used to it, but I really don't know how to control everything. I'm still new to this, so I'm gonna message myself to see if it appears on the chat. Didn't, because I might have put it the wrong. Okay. Actually, it works. Nice. Yeah, that's it. It works at least. If it comes from this stream, let me see if it comes from the other stream. Nice. Okay. Later I might mute this because it can get annoying. Anyway. Okay, I have here the list of things to do. So let's have some fun. Hello. Okay. Let me close Rust. I was developing Rust. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let me open up Rider. Chase me to the moon. Okay. Now let's transition to the main screen where I do code, or at least try. Let's have some fun. Okay, there were multiple external outputs that I have fixed right now, hopefully. Yeah, I still need the hype meter. Sorry. Yeah, it's hype meter. 2 and 3. 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 2 I'm gonna clone it to the recording. Sorry, I should have done this off screen, but I'm still getting used to this. Emotes as well. If anyone wants to spam emotes, it will show up. I'm not sure if it will work on any platform, hopefully. If this is set up correctly, it should. Intermission. Yeah, this is the background, this is the camera, this is the microphone. Okay, the chat I don't want to have it. So if anyone wants to send an emoji to the chat, hopefully it will work. Okay. Perfect. And I like the music. I'll lower a bit. I'll go to minus 10 dB. Recording, we are in the recording. Notification hypermeter, intermission. Yeah, it shows up on the screen. That's amazing. Nice. I like it. Okay, perfect. So let's go then. Okay, first of all, thank you. Hello. Hello, Leonor Pelais. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Basically, what I have here on the list. I don't know what to tackle first, because I have some... Because I still have some stuff going on, like some things that need to be done, such as map selection. We need to do the map selection. Maybe we will do that first. Then we need to create 2 maps. Hopefully in this stream will be 2.5 hours, 3 if we stretch it. So hopefully we can do map selection and create 2 maps. So we need to do this not fast, but with everything in mind. Single player needs love, camera effects, sound effects, also improve the sound effects of the Chase Me to the Moon. And game music, I think game music could be improved, in my opinion. That said, basically the game music is too static for my liking, and it gets boring. So if we do like a Foley system that will either increase with low, like put the sound to the game that will increase like the player music if you are low health, for example. Not increase the player music, but change to a more dangerous music to increase the immersion for the player. That could be a thing. Also, we need to make the rocket ship selection swipeable. So we have a lot to do. So let's get started. First of all, I like to test. I will also put an S here to show that the shop, just to make it better. I know that here on the top, this is behind this type of device. It's really hard to get the perfect UI, honestly, because different devices have different UI displays. So it's really hard to achieve like a good balance. I'll show you, for example, on iPad Pro it works, on X it doesn't, on Pixel 2 does. Like let's go for a Pixel 5. Yeah, it does. I think Samsung it doesn't, like S10. Yeah, see, like it's really hard to achieve that that perfect balance in terms of creating UIs for mobile devices. It's really hard to achieve that that balance. That said, I will do my best. I think the best approach is this like 20, not 20, like 5% of the screen. 5, I think it's, I will consider it 5 to 10% of the screen will be unusable because of not all of it, but at least this part, and yeah, maybe the top part, yeah. Because we saw that like Google Pixel, let's see, Google Pixel 5. Yeah, it has a dot, and if it opens up a back arrow, it starts to tick. Yeah, this is really hard in terms of create the perfect balance in terms of UI. It's if you want to achieve it, you either have a full team or you really simplify your UI to the maximum. Yeah, so maybe we will consider moving this down. I know this might make the game look weird, but you know what will be the reason. Okay, so yeah, so let's do the shop button. I know it won't show anything, but we'll do the shop button first. Then we'll go to the multiplayer. Let's create a room. I think I will change the I think I will change the color a bit because this is too bright for my liking. This is really bright. I know I'll make it a bit darker just to make it and look really sharp. So like the white colors contrasting with the pink, purplish background. It's not the best in terms of contrast, but yeah. So that's why we will change it to a more dark pink. And yeah, for now that will be it. Okay, change colors. I think put this into a darkerish color, then we'll do the swiping shop. Okay, let's go. I think this will be like it should be its own thing, but I put it in a single player. It should be redone, but whatever. Right now we are doing things and making them functional. I think that's the most important part. What's going on? It's in debug mode, right? Yeah. Unity issue, by the way. Yeah, okay. So actually, in terms of colors, the main menu looks... the multiplayer looks fine, but it's the room UI that doesn't look right. Okay. Let's go. Play button, shop button. I think for now, just for the sake of simplicity, I will add a text. But this will be changed to special buttons designed by my girlfriend. Yeah, so this is just like placeholders, honestly. Okay, for us to get a better view how it will how the game will look and feel. Yeah, so nice. let's go. Sorry. Okay, one thing then. We should add the functionality to the button, right? I'm not sure where did I put the manager to the main menu. I think it's here. Yeah, exactly. UI main menu manager shop button. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's it. Now the second thing that we need. We also should put the autoplay, but I think I will put under the options. Honestly, I think the shop UI, the credits will also be inside of the options to make the options UI actually not the options. I think it will be a menu UI that will show you the different things. This is to make like the main menu really quite straightforward. And I think maybe like we will put like a question mark on autoplay or something. But for the credits, I think it should go on under the options, and yeah. To remove like the UI of being cluttered. Okay, let's go. Options. No, okay, no, it's not this one. It's options UI. Perfect. So yeah, I think the shop button is set up and ready to go. We should test it. A bug. When you go back, I think I should have subscribed with my UI menu manager to the back button pressed, a global UI and back button pressed, and do this. If the active scene is main menu, and the main panel is active. Okay, let's main menu panel sets to true. Credits UI sets to false, shop UI sets to false, autoplay sets to false. Okay, play button on back. Okay. Like we don't use this right now. We don't use this as well. This is just for Rector compatibility with the old version, but we are using this way. So yeah, so I'll do exactly that. I'll create a function. Play button. It's not play button. It's play button selection. So it's something similar to the toggle, but this will be set to false. False equals true. It goes to the bin and play button. Yeah. So where this calls this, we call this. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. For everyone that joined, I want to apologize for yesterday not being able to stream, so thank you for coming. And tomorrow we will have another one, a shorter one, so we can proceed with the game a bit faster. So let's compile it. I should have stopped. Okay. Let's see if the shop button works, if the play button works and it's fixed. Okay, for example, if I press yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. There we go. Now let's 2 players. Okay, now let's stop. Let's go to the scene that needs to be, sorry, the scene that needs to be changed. I think it's the room, because the color is too bright. I would like to go like a bit darker. This will, in my opinion, this all will be changed. I'm not the designer of the game, so this is just for me to do the most that I can do in terms of development, and later we can change the UI. Because if we have all of the programmable things working, like the mechanics and whatnot, changing objects will be easier that way. So yes. Here we go. Let's create a room. Oh, my bad. Okay, I like it. I like it more this way. I know it's darker. It makes you read everything. It makes you read everything. It's better, in my opinion. So yeah. I think in terms of, sorry, in terms of room, right? Multiplayer room. Fit to the screen, sorry. The player ship now, I think it will be really hard to tell where the ship is, but I'll do my best to see if I can. Yeah, for example, we need to be able to I don't know if you can see, but basically we need to move a bit down. It looks weird putting like almost close to the UI, so this will be really hard. I think I'll do like this, honestly, and maybe a bit up. Okay, perfect. Sorry. Let me add this. Okay. I think it's better, but nothing is better than testing it out. Okay, create a room. You press the random buttons to create a room. Did I disable the camera? Really? Yeah, I disabled the camera. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. If you have anything to say, yeah, just drop it. I will answer. Okay, it seems fine. I'm not sure if this is understandable, but maybe I'll put a label on it. Like, this is the room name, okay? This is the room code. This is the, if you want to send to your friends, okay, buddy, come and play with me, you'll send this code. This is just a room name. I think I need to be more specific and explicit in terms of what is what. Like, the maps will come, and I think I like it better. Maybe a bit up, maybe just a little bit, a tiny bit up. Okay, let's do something like this. Minus 2.5. I'll go minus 2.25, 30. $29, $28.
Miguel Costa says, just join. How are you doing, Joe? Good progress on the game already.
Yeah, I don't know if you if you heard it. Yeah, the game is coming along. The game is coming along. I haven't touched it since the last stream. The last stream was on last week, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I think it was Thursday or Wednesday. I always switch those two. I don't know why. But the day close to Friday. Yeah. I think it's minus 25. Let's go multiplayer room. Minus 2.25. Perfect. Okay. I like it. Now, let's go to the other thing. Single player and multiplayer map selection. Okay, so hope you're doing okay, Miguel, by the way. And yeah, the game is coming along pretty nicely. But still needs some work and some love, and we'll get there. That's why I haven't published a release version of it. I really want to achieve that and to achieve the character creation and character selection. It will be the same thing. And for the single player, I think I will. I'm not sure, but I will do something sorts of like the multiplayer swipeable map and swipeable character. Yeah, I think that will be it. So yeah, so let's go to maps. Do I have any map?
Miguel Costa says, doing great, thanks.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice to hear. Lobby. No, lobby. Game. No, I don't want the game. I want the UI, because the UI is the one that controls the room. Okay. Oh, people are joining. Nice. I like it. Welcome. I think I should have opened like Twitch as well, because I didn't open Twitch. I'm streaming on Twitch, but I did not open the creator thing that I don't know. I really need to get used to this. Let me see if anyone is watching from Twitch. I don't think so, but oh, I have a viewer. I think it's me. Okay. Anyway, I have a streamer myself. I have a viewer myself. Me, myself, and I. Anyway, let's disabled the single player, so we can focus on the multiplayer, and we can focus. What's going on? What? Oh, it's showing the two versions together. Okay. Okay, let's go. I never done anything like this, so this is going to be fun. I never implemented like a swipeable feature in Unity. Hopefully there's something that will help me. Swipe. No. No. Nope. Let's see if we have anything that will help us. I will need to code it by hand, right? Right, of course. Change, no, okay, no, change, no. Swipe, no. Scroll. It's not a scroll, right? I like for the maps, it's like it's not a swipeable per se. It's like map changer. I think I will go with the map changer. It's not that it doesn't increase the user experience. I think for now, because we will have like right now 3 maps tops for the releases. Maybe later we'll consider that. And this will only be active if you are the owner of the room, because yeah, makes sense. So map panel. So let's start it out. I know that I will need this. The text will be on top, right? Right, no, right, wrong. Okay. The text should be perfect. Map image holder, because sorry, map image holder, and we will do like a mask. So if we have an image inside of it, and we will do full size. Perfect. I know it's weird because it's a white image, that's why it seems like the map name is cut out, but don't worry. Okay. If we have it like this, we have something, honestly, because I think raycast, target, yeah, maskable, yeah, and I think I'm missing something in here. Maybe it's not showing because I need a image, like, oh, I'm gonna put this one just to configure it out. Is preserve aspect rate or use sprite mesh? No. If I do this, if I have different images, like it will fit to the screen but won't fill everything and won't stretch. So yeah, won't do that. I think I need like not a light color. I don't want to go full light, like 160. Yeah, I think so, or 180. Yep, better. I don't want like full bright, like exploding your eyes with brightness. So, let's see. Either way, I can do something like a swipe. How can I make a swipe? It's like a movement that starts from the right to the left or left to the right. Or I think it looks better if you just swipe, right? Instead of pressing a button, it will give you a better feel. Hopefully I can recreate that. Let's see. Okay. This is only for the UI, multiplayer UI. So I'm gonna create a directory for this is room lobby. And let's make like a Unity script, of course, and this will be map selector UI. I'm gonna create. Okay, I need to. Okay, I need to renew this. This is expensive, but I need to renew this. Jeez. Whatever. Anyway, let's let's continue. Map selector UI. What do I need? Okay. First thing is I need to know who's the owner. So maybe I will need like I don't think I need a network behavior. I just need to know if I'm the owner. So on start or on enable, because on enable will be the best choice here. Okay, this looks promising. Anyway, why I'm using the on enable function and why I think it's, I know it will throw errors, whatever. Why it's the best option. I'm just searching. Sorry, I'm just searching for the things that I need. Like room UI, it has all of this. It has all of the buttons. So let me go to the room UI. Yeah, I put it as mono behavior because it will subscribe to the multiplayer manager. Perfect. This is exactly what I need. So let's subscribe. Let's do something. On player join. Not sure. Let me see what I have here. On player ready? No. On player join. How do I differentiate between if I'm the okay? Oh, this is exactly what I need. Oh, nice. I prepared myself. So let's do a serializable. Let's do a private. I'll say like I don't need this, but image holder. Okay, no, it's image map preview image. Yes, let's import that. It's Unity UI image. Okay. If it's the host, you should be allowed to use the function. If you're not the host, you are not allowed to use the function. But either way, if the owner changes the map, it should trigger your client to change the UI. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let me comment this out. I know that in the previous thing, we made something that is the map configuration STO. We are able to fetch it on the game manager, but I don't want it to be only on the game manager. I want it to be accessible on the room because you should be able to access it when you are playing the room. Like, it's the map configuration, right? You should be able to get like configurations for the game, honestly. And maybe you should be able to edit them before the game. Like, if you want to have some type of, let's say, if you want the game to last less time, have a faster startup, whatever, customization. So yeah, that's something that I will need to think on how to implement. Player movement, UI menu manager, I don't need it. Player shoot, I don't need it anymore. Room UI, I will need you. This is how to set up the players list. I think I'm listening to when a player joins, basically, and when a player joins, it basically not pops up, but set up the screen on player details. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's roll to the room UI and have some fun. So the map selector.
Will the game showcase phantasma capabilities like the smart NFTs? People are viewing for games on the chain.
I'm not sure if I will use smart NFTs, but I'm considering implementing NFTs on the game. Yeah, not 100% smart NFTs, but yeah, just it's not the main goal of the project for now. Maybe later the roadmap will change. The main goal of the game is to create a fun experience for all ages. Like, the NFTs will come later, like the customization for rocket ships and yeah, and I think right now that's it, and other things that we are thinking of implementing to the game. So yeah, but for now it's not on the table yet. I hope I clarified your answer. Not right now. Like, the game, I want to launch the game without NFTs and later add on top. Okay, so it will grow over time. It will be something that will be improving and growing, because I really want this game to succeed, and I'm gonna do my best to make sure that it will happen. So Let's read documentation. Okay. I think for this I need, like, a user shouldn't be able to honestly change the behavior. So if you are not the host, we just return it. We don't care. Like, the user shouldn't be able to change the map, in my opinion. So if the user moves left, okay, we will do something. It's either game, I think it's a manager. It's manager, game multiplayer manager or game manager MP. One of them is inside. Okay, one of them. Yeah, this is really related to the game. Right? Yeah, this is really related to the game. But this is related to, like, players joining lobbies, whatnot. I need a way. This is a network behavior. So, and this is where? Scene, multiplayer, manager, scripts. Okay. So basically we need, this is what starts the host. Yeah. But this doesn't have an action that gets subscribed to. So in here we need to do something like, we can add a network, it's a network variable, it's not a network list. And I will say that we can create a structure that could be serialized for ease of use, honestly. And as for multiplayers lobby, and I'll say add class, and will be like room data. Okay, it will be a struct. It's room data. Let's import everything. Room data. Yep. Perfect. Multiplayer manager. Room data. So it's this way it will be easier to transfer, like, settings and things like that. So it will improve the room data. And the room data, what that will contain will be like selected map ID. I think I had like room data, honestly. Anyway, I'm gonna change almost everything. So medals, room data, it's like selected map ID. I think, like, for the configurations, I don't like, I really don't need this, but the thing is, a network variable, it needs to be able to be serialized. If I'm thinking correctly, basically it needs to import the iNetwork serializable and should have like a function to serialize the data. Okay, and I think that's the only way. Not 100% sure, but let me see in terms of this. If I like network variable, yeah, see, always network variable int float int. It's always basic data. It's not complex data like a structure that contains multiple types of data. So for that reason, what I will do is I will put the select map ID, and I think the select map ID will be enough for now. Because like caller ID, we don't need caller ID, honestly. In terms of room, you need I will say like number of players, maybe. I will say also ulong room ID. It's fixed string bytes, yeah. I think it'll be fixed string. Yeah, the room ID normally is a string. Yeah. So let's say that. Okay, another thing that could be here will be not ulong. I think a hint will be more than enough. So let's say room ID, map ID, number of players. You don't need it. You don't need it, honestly. So we'll change to game mode ID, yeah. And this will convert to an enum later. Convert to enum later. Serialize value. I will say room ID. Sorry, ref room ID, map ID, and game mode ID. Okay, perfect. I like it. Like the room data will. For example, where is this setup? On the awake function. Okay, so we'll do the same. Okay, we can set this to room. It's room ID empty 0 0. Just for the sake of defaults, so we have data. Network list, we also dispose that because we don't need it anymore. On start host, I think we do a list change. We'll do something like that on value change, and we will okay, start game, no, get location, spaceship ready. Okay. It's private. Private void on. What time is it? Okay, it's almost 1 hour. On. Room data change? Yeah, on room data change. This will be network. No, yeah, just like that. In here, you need to accept like exactly. And if I do it correctly, we should set up like a public, not like that, public static event action on room data changed. Okay, I will change it. Let's have two network manager. Okay, and invoke with new value. From data. Also, we'll have a public room data exactly, and I think this way we will have player list room. I don't need it. It's like room data. So yeah, let's code it. Let's go. Now I have the room data. Hello there. Nice to see you. I hope you take some rest and time to rest, because you were awake at 7 a.m. So hope you are okay now. New value, old value. Okay, I don't need the debug log, but it will come in handy. So, player data, I don't need it. Map selector UI, yes, I need it.
Stellargate says, yeah, I listened to you. I slept 5 hours. Stellargate says, thank you.
Yeah, that's nice. At least you slept something. Nice. How are we going to do this?
Stellargate says, I saw BTW.
Oh, thank you for the sub. Thank you. Thank you, Stellargate. Thank you, Jorge. I know it's yeah. My preview. I have you. You're having fun with you can listen to the chatbot, by the way. Can you listen to the thing shouting out like Stellargate says? It's really funny. Gosh. So.
Stellargate says, I sound like an old man voice.
Yeah, I don't.
Stellargate says, yes, I can listen.
Okay. That's nice. I don't know how to change it. So, like, it's the default one. I really have no clue how how to change the voice. I tried, honestly, I tried, but I'm not able.
Stellar Gate says, I sound like the old man voice from Adventure Time. Change screw red voice changer.
Nice. Mechanics.
Stellar Gate says, I like it. It's cute.
Yeah, I know, but it's weird. Oh, maybe I found out. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can change the the thing. How do I do that, honestly? I don't know. Okay. I'm not sure if it's here or not. Maybe it changed. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, maybe it changed. Hopefully. How can I test it? Okay, let me test it.
TechDev says, hey.
Okay.
Stellar Gate says, I will be honest, I dislike with a passion UI on Unity, like with a passion.
Okay, I don't understand. I think you'll be.
Stellar Gate says, XD.
You'll be. I'll put Albert. I don't like Eddie. You'll be Albert. I just don't like them whispering in my ears. It's really weird.
Stellar Gate says, oh, it changed now.
Okay, I'll change. This is really funny.
Stellar Gate says, oh, it changed now.
Yeah, it changed. Yeah. We have so many people that we can change to.
Stellar Gate says, I want waiver voice.
Oh my god, if this works, it'll be funny. Let me see. It will be funny because it will be oh, I closed it. No.
Stellar Gate says, your reaction was epic. Stellar Gate says,
10 out of
10/10.
10/10. Wait 1 second. Okay. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Okay. 16 visualizations, I like it. I like those numbers. Okay. Let's come back to the development where we were at. It compiled. Maps, the selection. I need to track the values because I never done anything like it. And I need to have like pre-default images and whatnot. And I don't think my map configuration SO does have it. So I need to go to to that thing. Yeah, it doesn't have a public. I'll put image, and it's a Unity UI, and will be map preview image. Yes. Hopefully I will be able to select it. I know that I can make like show preview. I know it's something like preview. Yeah, it's
Stellar Gate says, I will be back. I will make lunch brunch.
yeah, go ahead, have fun.
Stellar Gate says, good luck with project less than 3.
Good luck with the decks, by the way, man. Okay, let's keep the development going. Hopefully this will work. Scriptables, maps. Do I need to input an 8? The alignment, I think maybe center, honestly. $200. Well, it's too big. No, I like it. Oh. Okay. Why it's not showing up like an image? If it's a sprite, right? I think it is. Sprite 2D. I think it's just sprite, honestly. So like, there we go. I like it. I like it. Okay, like for example, this would be map 1, sure. And let's select another thing to represent map 2, and this will be map 2. Just for the sake of like demonstrating the thing that we are building actually working. I think in terms of map holder, I think it should be in here that will have the swipe thing. Okay. Sorry, I'm thinking. Okay, it should be in here and will be map selector UI. The image will be this. Sorry, this one. And only if you are a host, you'll be able to do this. Debug.log change next map to previous map. Okay. Scenes initialize. So it needs to be like pointer move, but it's always detecting or only on click. Because if it detects on come on. I need to know the debug. Come on. Okay. This is a really nice thing to learn. Like this is but this only detects if you press, right? Okay, I'm not going to press anything. Oh, I made. So I think what I will do is the move handler doesn't make any sense. It will be pointer, enter handler. It's like it's either down and up. Yeah, let's do this. I think this will be like here and here. And we will record a vector to mouse down position, mouse up position, and we will start that data. And mouse down position. So when you press down, because it's like only if you press it should detect, right? And let me comment this out just for us to do a simple test. I think I can do it directly on the UI. I don't need to be like running and ugh, I hate this. So now I can't because I need the multiplayer thing to check if I'm the host. I should have made a simple script to allow me to test it out without.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, want a new subscriber? I'm new to your channel.
Want a new subscriber? Hello, welcome, Sally. Next, previous, right? Okay, let's do like what? What? Oh, the hell did I open this up? What the
Tilda
hell?
Zally Tilda says, I just subscribed.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. It really helps the channel grow, and yeah, thank you. Pointer move. I think it needs the threshold, so
Tilda Zally Tilda says, no problem.
Threshold for swipe. Not less than 100. So you kind of need to understand what's going on.
Tilde Zally Tilde says, also my Y on my TV says I got scammed.
Also my Y.
Tilde Zally Tilde says, I can't turn off my Y.
I don't know what you mean by that. Why? Okay, I'll put like 150. Yeah. Okay, so we kinda have something working. So let's remove this. We don't need this. We don't need this. So okay. On enable map preview. Sprite will go, not map manager of course, but I think it's game manager instance dot map configuration SO, and we will get map. Okay, we'll get the first one and then map image preview. Yeah. So on enable, get the first map configuration. And we also look for events to update the map preview. And the map preview will be multiplayer manager dot instance dot. I don't think I need to be multiplayer image. I think I, come on, it's on room data changed. Room data changed. Room data changed. So create a new method. Yep. So here, if the room data changed, I think it needs to room data. It needs to set up for everyone. So this line of code will be almost exactly the same because the room data will go to the room ID.
Tilde Zally Tilde says, it's a screen saying, this software must not be sold, neither alone as or a part of a bundle. If you paid for this software or received this as a part of the bundle following payment, you have been scammed. Tilde Zally Tilde says, and then...
What? Awesome. Neither a loan nor a part of the bundle if you paid for this software or received it as a part of the bundle. I don't know.
Tilde Zally Tilde says,
That's
and
not
should
true.
demand your money back immediately. It what to do? What is my TV saying?
I don't know what to do with my TV. Turn off the TV, like unplug it from the outlet, the power outlet. That will be my choice. 1 second, I need, I'll be right back. Let me... I'm back. Sorry. Let's go. I think maybe not on enable, because if you are a player joining the room, you should... Okay, I will do like first and then look for events and update. No, update to the current map. Yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, nice. In terms of this, you don't need this. The Mac configurations, you also don't need this. Oh, you... and yeah. Right. I'll put like a private map configuration, so current map configuration, yeah. I think this will make things better. So we will do something like this. And here you'll do something like this. And the code will be the same, so yeah. Okay. And here, same thing. Oh, you don't need this. It's selected map ID and the map configuration, and you'll just put a preview. This will be useful because you can fetch the name of the map. I think I haven't put that, but string map name, yeah, for sure I will put the map name. Yep. Scriptables, maps. To the moon. To the moon and beyond. Beyond. Okay. Okay. Okay, manager, map configurations, we have both here, nice. I think the map selector UI could also have, and could also deal. Or should it be under UI? I'll put it here. Private tm underscore text, map text name. Okay. Okay. Room name, map name. I think I need to set up the UI to handle everything. So UI, multiplayer room, v2, and let's go to the room map here, and map panel. You know, I should have put this somewhere else, but yeah. Hopefully it will work. First try? Let's see. Hope I did not forget anything. Okay.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, oh, I have more subscribers than you.
Okay.
Leonard says, can you stop please?
Okay. No, it's no problem.
Says, this chat is not for that. Leonard says, respect.
Yeah, true. If you like, congrats. But please behave. That's what this community is about, like being respectful to others and don't treat others in a bad manner or bad way. So yeah. And me. Multiplayer manager. Oh, it's game selector UI. And I just need to change the map. From UI multiplayer manager. I think it's multiplayer manager, but light instance that change. Okay. I'll create a new region because spaceship, start game, whatnot. I think it will be region, room data, and map. Okay, so and region. This should not be available if you are not.
Ricky Patel says, respect man.
Thank you. Hey. Require ownership. Of course it requires ownership, so you were on the stream last week, right? I remember your name.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, MHM.
Yeah, I don't think it will work. Yeah, you can send the room data. I just need the room. Room. Map.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, interesting text.
Interesting text. Set map.
Leonard Pellis says, respect.
Set map.
Leonard Pellis says, just that. Leonard Pellis says, simple.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, void? Why is void written there?
Which void? Yeah, I think I'm okay.
Tilda Zally Tilda says, Sidnet server, haha reminds me of game servers.
Oh, it is. It is a game server. I'm coding a multiplayer game. Data. It will be. And I'm selecting the map ID. No, or I'm doing this whole thing at once. I think I'm doing this at once. So. One second. One second. I have to go to the door. Okay, the sound is back. I'm back. Sorry. Need more clarity. What do you mean need more clarity? The text is not readable? I think I can increase the size of it. Sorry, if you think this is better, tell me please. If you are talking about the font size, so let's just have some time to think of what we do, and let's behave as a group. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Okay, I forgot about that. Yeah, basically you need to Yeah. Yeah, and you don't need the else statement. If you just return it. Sorry. Okay. Okay, okay, I will add a third map. So we will have a third map just for chase me to the moon scriptables maps. Let's say this will be the third map. This will be this will be Mars and beyond.
Vidhi Patel says, yes, the text is not readable.
Yes, the text is not readable. What do you mean? The coding, or like you can't read the UI? I'm sorry, like I'm not able to view it as I'm developing.
Vidhi Patel says, I have done 720p also.
Can you do 180? Or is not available? I'm just asking because it should be possible for you to use.
Vidhi Patel says, some text only other I can read properly.
So it's buffering? Let me see what I can do about that. Okay. Oh, sorry, my bad.
Vidhi Patel says, okay, I am go with 1080p.
Try 1080p and let me know. Because if you can't read the code, that's okay. That's not what I want. I want quality.
Vidhi Patel says, yeah, I think buffering. Let's see. You can continue.
Okay. Can you see the code? I increased the size of the font, so hopefully you can read it better. So yeah, this this was working. This is not playing, but this is working. I just want to test out if the naming, the setting up the name, is working. I don't think. I don't know why, but I don't think. Oh yeah, like of course it's not. Of course it's not. Map name text equals to current configuration dot map name. Yeah, of course it will never work, and I also need it here and here. So yeah, so we will have something like that. If it doesn't work, please let me know, because I will try to increase the resolution or do something to improve the quality of the stream. I'm like right now we are using 6 megabytes to the stream, so it's like 60 FPS, and but I'm like using a little bit of compute power to make it to work. If it doesn't work properly on the next stream, I will make sure that I will test that out before coming live. So let me know. Okay. Oh, I did not add the third map. Yeah, my bad. I need to add a third map to the configuration, and I will need to change, like, let's say we'll go with this just for the sake of it. Let's add to the game manager, so we'll have like configurations and whatnot. That would be really fun if this works out of the box. Let's go to players, create room, the name. Okay, to the moon and beyond. I think I need to fix that, the auto sizing. Mars and beyond, to the moon. Ooh, I like it. I really like it. Okay, we have something. How are we going to test this? I will do something like that for the spaceships, so that will be fun. How am I going to test this out? Am I able to build to Mac or something? So yeah, let's switch platforms. This will take time. We will do like a development build, so we can test if this is working or not. I know that I will be doing that on a computer, which it doesn't make any sense because this is a mobile game. But nonetheless, I will build it for the computer. This is just for testing, right? So let's. Okay, it's compiling scripts, so it will take time. So let's wait a bit. It's fun developing. I think we made some progress, honestly. I wish we have like, I would say we have like 40 minutes to go. 40 minutes to go. It's still quite some time. Hopefully we can make the play. Hopefully we can make the play on the map selection. Maybe even if
Patel says, "Where are you from?"
Portugal. I'm from Portugal. Where are you from? I would bet like Turkey or something. I'm not sure, but I'll bet Turkey. So okay, let's do. I really don't want the next code stuff, so test macOS. Yeah, let's go. Updates.
Vinny Patel says, India.
Oh, India. Okay, nice. Welcome to the stream. I don't like from India. I don't know a lot of.
Vinny Patel says, "I am from India."
Nice. I like spicy food, so yeah. And I know that like you have Buddha, you have. I'm not like a cultural, really known person, but I know like Buddhism, and you have like I spoke with.
Vinny Patel says, "Nice to meet you, man."
Nice to meet you. I spoke with with the Indian guy when I was in Lisbon, and he told me not in Lisbon when I was working for a company, and he told me that like in India you have multiple gods or something like that, like multiple. If you are from a region, you have like.
Vinny Patel says, "Okay, come to India, I will treat you."
Thank you. It's like you have a god in like a lion god or something. I'm not 100% sure, so don't feel that I'm like treating your culture wrong. I really am not. I don't know a lot about the Indian culture. So yeah, it's working flawless. I like it. Oh, we should run 2 games. We should join the game, not create one. Yeah, I knew it. Like, for example, if I switch... Does it switch? No, it doesn't. But if I try to switch it here... Okay, you can switch it here, which is awesome. But this... Like the ready functions, right? Yeah, the ready functions. Okay. So, okay. It's not fully working, but at least something is working. So on room data changes, it will set the map preview image, it will get the selected data. It will get the selected data and get the map ID, map configuration. Multiplayer manager. I think if I put here false, I need to make sure that I'm the host. Of course, I will put this here, and the other thing is I need to be the host. If this is host, this is not the host, and I think you can like server RPC params. It's something like that. I'm not 100% sure. So map ID. If it's outside of the boundaries, return. If you're not the host, return. I don't know how did you call it. And if RPC params receive sender client ID is different than
Vinny Patel says, my chats are also delaying.
Oh yeah. The stream has some delay between messages, like between the stream, between you and me. I don't know how to lower it. Maybe there's a way. I think it's like latency is normal. It's not too low. But yeah, for the next stream I'll try the lowest setting possible for you to receive not almost instantaneous message, because that's quite difficult to have if we are talking networking. So yeah, require ownership false, which is weird, but you should. I will build again. Replace. We are almost 2 hours in. We are almost there.
Patel says, yes, I will always try to join you.
Thank you, thank you. That's amazing, thank you. And I hope that you can play this mobile game.
Vicky Patel says, I am in a fight in India.
5? What you mean by 5? F-I-E-D. I really don't know what's the meaning of 5. Field. Oh, you mean field. IT field. Yeah, nice. Are you taking like bachelor's, master's degree, or are you working for a company? Sorry for the messy sounds, like for the game, and because the game has music and like me listening to music in the background. Yes, okay.
Vicky Patel says, AHHH, I am going for bachelor.
Good luck, man. Really. That's smooth. I like it. But if I change it, if I try to change it here, I can't. That's nice. And if I do it here. See, oh, I love networking. I love networking. Good luck, man. What are your field of choice, like game development, security? Sorry, I'll try to put the volume down. Game development, security, crypto.
Vicky Patel says, it's okay, but ground music is necessary for coder.
Oh yeah, it is. It is. It is. Without music, sometimes it feels that you are like completely outzoned. But yeah, I like having some background or like a fireplace, because it gives you some cozy environment to code. So yeah. So I love it. Oh my god, it's working. Oh, I love it. No, and see the response time, it's fast. This is not local. This is connecting to a Unity server and receiving the data from it. So this is completely online. This is not local. Okay. So and the response time, it's quite fast. Honestly, like all. Okay, I'm gonna press to move, and I'm gonna lift my finger up, so it will change the map. 1, 2, 3. See, it was almost instantaneously. What the hell? I love it. Right now, I need to do something like that for the user. Nice.
Vicky Patel says, what is your Instagram handle?
At Crazy Tech Studio. I don't have a lot of things there. I don't think I have things there. But it's at Crazy Tech Studio. So yeah. The play button shouldn't appear, but yeah, that's a bug for another time. Now let's test something. I'm liking it. I really am. Like I'll put like public scene map scene file. Scene management scene file. Can we select the scene file per map?
Vinny Patel says, I can contact you on Insta.
Sure, you can. We also have Discord if you want to join Discord or Telegram. My map scene file. It's there, right? I can't really. Oh, really? Okay. Scene.
Vinny Patel says, okay, I will join.
It's on the description of the live stream. Scene asset. I'm curious to how to. Oh yeah. Let me look it up. Scenes multiplayer. Let me see if I can. Does this work? Oh, this is map 2, so map 2.
Vinny Patel says, it's 12:30 and I am still watching and I am also making Snake and Ladder.
Are you making the game? Snake and Ladder? Oh. I should use both. I actually never coded that game. If you are coding that game, amazing. Amazing, really. Map 2, map 3, map 1. Sorry. Oh. And for example, when the play button hits, when everyone is ready and you hit the play button, what will happen? It's the multiplayer
Vinny
manager.
Patel says, yes, I am trying, but it's difficult.
It is. It's not easy. But oh my god, if you make it, that's really amazing. Let me check if I can
Vinny
get.
Patel says, and I also want to learn from basic.
So which language are you using? Start host on scene. Game scene manager. I think I have a multiplayer scene manager if I'm not working. If not, I'm not mistaken. Relay manager. Change scene. Scene.
Vinny Patel says, Python and HTML.
Python. Nice. I'm not that knowledgeable on Python, but I know how to create scripts and whatnot. Never coded a game in Python. I coded a game in Pascal. I don't know, like Free Pascal, which is a really old language by now, and by when I started learning. But yeah, I when I was 15 or something, like 10 years ago. When I was 14, actually. When I was 14, I started my professional course on development, and we learned Pascal, and I wanted to make a game for my final project for the first year of development, and I made it, and it was like
Vicky Patel says, in between stream you have to give me some tips.
yeah, sure, no problem. Do you like reading? There's like a free book online if you want to learn like the basics of game development that I will recommend you, because it will teach you like game loops, ways of optimizing a game. For example, what I'm talking right now is like the flight weight pattern. Basically, you.
Vicky Patel says, yes, I like.
Okay, nice. That's amazing. Basically, the flight weight pattern. I don't know if you are aware of it, but basically, you instance the texture of the object on your graphics card, and then just give positions to render on those positions, so it only consumes like
Vicky Patel says, yes, I want to learn. Say which book it is.
It's an online book. It's like game. Let me. Game development book. Oh no, it's a free book. I have it here. Let me. Oh, game programming patterns. It's here. Like, you have the game programming patterns. It's free. If you don't want the, I will link you. If you don't want
Vicky Patel says,
the printable,
okay, I will text you on Insta.
Sure. It's this one.
TechDev says, link.
Sure.
Vicky Patel says, continue with your work.
Yeah, no problem. I sent a message. I was searching for the book. It's a game programming patterns. It has a lot of knowledge in terms of game development, and I think it will give you the fundamentals. The other thing I will say is that the game programming patterns, if you know programming patterns, it will feel similar in a way to programming patterns, because it is. It's kind of based on that and added upon and built upon the programming patterns that.
Vicky Patel says, yes, I can see. Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah, no problem. I like helping others, so feel free to ask questions. I will link you things, so no worries. Let's get back to where I was. Get player data, no. Multiplayer, no. It's when you press the play button. It's like on the room UI. On start, on ready. On set play ready, start game. Yeah, on start game. If singleton is host, check players. If they are not available, load scene network multiplayer game. Yeah. So what we can do, since we are just testing things out, I think the best way of us doing this is like game scene manager dot load scene networks, and I'm not going to pass like the game scene this way. What I will do is public static void load scene by scene file networks, and I think you can, yeah, I'm gonna test this out. I am feeling, I don't know, let's see if this works, honestly, because can we get the selected room? I think we can, because we have that here. So we will do something like value dot room ID. Okay, let's say like var new. Okay, map config. Yeah, perfect. Then we'll do map config that scene file. Dot name now. Dot. It's not. I don't think it's like the scene path. That's why it's complaining. The scene asset. It's like, I know there's a way for you to put like the scene, but I really don't remember which one it is. Gosh. Let me search on internet. Unity reference scene object vehicle on a scriptable object. Yeah, because you can't. They say it's a scene asset, but it's not. Like, if you could have like the asset database load asset path, picker scene path, like the picker as scene picker. Oh, if I put like scene picker, maybe scene picker. Is that even possible? No. Scene. It's not game scenes. The game scenes are created by me. Editor, scene manager, new scene mode. I forgot the name. They are called like. It's not scene because the scene wouldn't allow you to. You'll need like. If you are able to set it, I think it's possible. It's like scene file get not build index, it's get it was like get path or something, like name or path. Yeah, it's path. Or the build index, you can get the build index as well, but the build index wouldn't be the best option. So what I will do is basically I will go inside of each map and we'll need to add it to the building. To the build index, so they will be converted. So when playing multiplayer, whatever. Scene. I can't use scene. Like the scene path, you can. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. But I know this won't work because scene asset. please. Well, let me see. Like, we have the game scene manager, right? So when you try to change the scene manager, like load scene, what can you send it? It's like get num scenes in build settings, can set active as scene, but yeah, you can. Like, you can send a scene, but I don't think you can set up a scene in a prefab. That's the problem. Come on. I hate you, Unity. Come on. I will need to close Unity. Yeah, it crashed. Oh gosh. Activity monitor. Oh gosh. Unity. Sometimes I hate Unity. Honestly. Okay, whatever. For now, whatever, I will read it later. Get active scene, see, like scene path. But I don't think you can set the scene, sorry, game manager. I don't think you can set the scene.
Check Production says, hello.
Hello, welcome to the stream. Map selector, UI, game selector, multiplayer room manager. Okay. Really? What happened? You should be able to, like, it's in debug mode? Yeah, it's in debug mode. What? Why? Yeah, if it's on a scene asset, but if you change the scene, you are not able to. If I was able to view it here, that will be fine. But I don't think it's possible. Yeah, see, like it's select. What? The other thing is maybe we can pass like a map scene path. I'm not 100% sure if this will work. Oh. Did it load? Oh, errors. Yeah, sure. Let it compile. Oh, no, I like my dockings. Come on. Okay, perfect. You can select the scene path. What I will try to do is, if you can select the scene path, this way. No, you can't. So I'm lazy. Map scene file, scene asset. Okay. I could create.
Galaxy says, hello, bro.
Hello, bro. Cartoon Network. Hello, welcome. Yeah, always throwing errors because of the multiplayer thing. Jeez. Dot name. I think the only way is like asset bundle. No, sorry, asset database dot get asset path, and if you pass the asset, you don't need to pass anything else. Import dot. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do something. I will need to add all of the map scenes and whatnot, and all of the configurations as well. Or are they configured? Nice. Nice. So let's go to the build settings, add scene. Okay, let's do this for all of the maps. I should add something that differentiate them, just to make sure that this is working as intended. But for now, yeah, I will do something about it. I will put like an image or something to differentiate between them. So let's do that now. Like an image, like a full screen image, like map 3 will be... Map 3 will be like the red map. Map 2 will be... Let's add a UI. I can copy from map 2, honestly. Save. Yeah, map 2 will be the full image, but in blue, because why not? And map 1 will be the same thing, but in, I don't know, green. Yeah, greenish, green look. I'll put like full screen. So hopefully it will work. I really am like shaking because I really want to test it. Because if this is working, like multiplayer will be working with map changing, which is perfect. Which is perfect, guys. Come on, like. Okay, let's go. Multiplayer, 2 players, create room. Let's create a room. Okay. The first one is the green map. This one is the bluish, right? Let's go with the bluish. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's working. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's try again. We should keep like a serious face when you are testing these things, because you'll never know. Okay, this is the green one. Okay, let's test the green. No, let's go to the last. No, let's do something like, okay, let's, yeah, okay, let's go back wherever. Trying to exploit this, not exploit this, but trying things out. Okay, this one should be the Alf Red. Parfait. Parfait. I know that it should have disabled the UI, but it didn't, which is something that it's fixable, honestly. But I'm okay with it. I really am. I'm okay with it. Nice. It's selecting like multiple maps. It's working. That's amazing. Come on, what? What I will do is, like, since we already have a version of the one map working, so why not? Why not put everything working? Come on. I'm proud. I'm proud. I know. We are almost reaching an end. I think this live stream was really productive. Was amazing. Yeah. Okay. It was. Let's just test it out before we go. Initialize. Let's go. And thanks everyone that came and enjoyed the stream and talked. Really, thank you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming. Let's test this out and hopefully it will work. It's the first map, so the first map should work. Yeah, I need to close the UI. That's the only sad part of this. But I think it's changing in a addictive way. No, it's single. But it's not like, it's almost there, but it's not quite there. Like how this was implemented is nice. But I think I need... I know what's happening. Basically, what's happening is this thing changes the scene. And I have a scene manager, like a check for all of the scenes when they change, if I'm not wrong. And what happens is basically if it's listening for all of the scene changes, and the scene changes doesn't include like the maps that we... This is the scene loader. This is not what I want. Sound manager, scene manager, controller. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Basically, if it's listening for game scenes like map game, and it's not including the overlay to the multiplayer game on each map, it will not be working. So when a scene is loaded, this is completely fine. The only thing I need to specify is basically, since a game can have multiple maps, I need to be able to say, okay, we loaded the map, we loaded the game, so please trigger this to methods. Otherwise, don't do anything. So game scenes, game by scene. And what we can do is, to make that work, is if scene, if my thing are not wrong, is like, if the name contains map, I think it's map like this, and underscore. Okay, we should return game scene .mp. Okay, I will change, like it will be like mp underscore game underscore map. So we will differentiate between multiplayer and single player games. Okay, I think that's the best alternative. So, and by only changing this, of course we need to stop the game, change the name of the files, mp underscore. By only changing this, okay, only changing this. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Oh, Sorry. Creating a room. There we go. Perfect. I love coding sometimes. Only sometimes. But why it's not detecting my input? Maybe there's something that I need to do, but yeah, it's not detecting. Something is in front of it. Maybe it's a UI multiplayer. Maybe the other is clickable overlay. Maybe there's something that oh no, I know. What? I completely forgot that I was on macOS. So like I have put it on the script if you are using macOS or Windows or Linux, it will not. No, it's not that it won't work. Okay. Okay. Let's test this out. I really want this before I go. Okay. Hopefully this is intended. Yeah. See? Yeah. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, I like it. I really do like it. Because it will it allows you to play the game on PC. I don't want it, but it allows you to be able to play the game on mobile without being concerned with the PC. I created a PC thing to work in a different way, to use like arrow keys. So yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll move to the intermission. Okay, before I move to the intermission, I will need to try to not lose. Just don't lose. It's hard, but I'm liking it. I really am. I'm proud. Still need some adjustments, of course. Still need some improvements, but that's why we do develop. So we end up with a win. Thank you for watching. I will change to the intermission state. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you for talking with me. And yeah, I think this stream was really really useful and really amazing. We made a lot of progress in the game. I had fun making it. I hope you guys had also fun watching and talking with me, asking questions. Tomorrow at the same time, but I don't think it will last 3 hours. It will be not at the same time. I think I will stream 1 hour earlier, start 1 hour earlier than I started today, and I will do all 2 hours, something like that. Not 3 hours. I know 3 hours it's quite a bit, but I was in the mood to get things done. So I really appreciate for you to come here, subscribe, like the video because I can see the stats. talk with me. So really, thank you, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully, I really want this game to go out, so I'm doing my best to keep everything done at once. It's really hard to manage a lot of projects, but I am doing my best, and I hope that we can come out with this game before the end of this month. That's my target, at least with a playable state that everyone will be able to play against one another. So again, thank you for watching, thank you for coming, see you on the next one, and have a great day. Bye. Bye everyone.